Ram 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 भगवान श्री योगी राम सूरत कुमार की जय। सर्वं योगी राम सूरत कुमारार्पणमस्तु। We shall offer our grateful pranams with the Nama lotuses at his feet. Now, we shall have one more glimpse of the glory of the name, especially for people who have to make their living in a foreign country. Some 2 days back, we saw how a family fell into a situation in Saudi Arabia and how a child swallowed the lithium battery cell and how the mother, with her extreme devotion and the Nama, brought it down from the heart region to the intestine, and how the rest was taken care of by nature without any surgery. It happened by the sheer grace of Nama. This is what we saw 2 days back. And now, once again, we shall see how from Canada a situation developed in a family of a mother and daughter, and how Bhagavan came to their rescue. This letter I got only a few days back, on July 4th to be exact. Akshaya Krishnaswamy and her mother Bhanumati, they're living in Canada. Akshaya went to Canada to pursue her higher studies. Now recently, the month of June, her mother Bhanumati suddenly developed some trouble in the eyes. Added to it, there was heavy-headedness. She felt heavy in the head, and it was troubling. It began to trouble her very often. Now, Akshaya goes into description, an elaborate description in a letter about the health care system of Canada. How difficult it is to seek the medical help in places like Ottawa. She lives in Ottawa. She says there's a Canadian health system, health care system, and people have to register their name. And they need a reference from a doctor to a specialist. No specialist would take up any case without any referral from a family doctor or a general physician. So number one difficulty was that you have to go to somebody first, get a primary assessment and a reference to go to a specialist. And then the second point is that after going there, of course, it's all very expensive. It's not so easy that the specialist would start the treatment immediately or anything. Especially in the case of eye surgeries, one may have to wait for 450 days, I believe, because it is a backlog of people who have already registered, which means more than a year. And then when she found it, it could also be very expensive. When she found out that it could take a lot of time and also expenses, both mother and daughter thought they could wait for some time, but it was Delta variant time. In many cases, so Canada has closed its borders. The flights were all suspended. Now, as her mother began to feel the strain, though she insisted that they would all wait till they could get back to India, where everything is relatively cheaper and quicker. But then, seeing the trouble that she was going through, the daughter could no more wait. She rang up to the local hospital, Ottawa Hospital, and then they said if she did not have a referral, she could come to emergency, consult a doctor there, and get a referral to find a good ophthalmologist. Again, she came across a difficulty. Without any medical insurance, if you have to go to emergency, it could cost you $2,000. Just imagine, a primary assessment is needed in the first place, and without medical insurance, you have to spend as much as 2,000 rupees for that alone, and then you have to see a specialist. So she did not know. She thought that was the dead end and she could not proceed any further. $2,000 was too much for them. But then again she saw how her mother was suffering. And then she made an appointment with an ophthalmometrist. There are ophthalmometrists, ophthalmologists, opticians, and they all have different levels of training in diagnosis, treatment, and some added special training and all that. So she made an appointment with an ophthalmometrist, and she hoped to get some primary assessment of the eye. One look at her mother's eyes, the ophthalmometrist said, She was ready for a cataract surgery. But then he also added that it could prove to be very expensive and it must be cheaper relatively in India, so they had better wait. Now Akshaya was thrown into a dilemma. She was also very confused. She didn't know whether she had to wait till all the flights resumed, go back to India and get it done there. But then, seeing her mother day after day suffering, she felt that she had to do something there. That ophthalmometrist gave a referral, yes. He also mentioned an ophthalmologist for the cataract surgery in a place called Stittsville. It's a part of Ottawa itself. And then he said he would get the complete list of expenses for the entire surgery. But then he never turned up. He never sent any report at all. Akshaya waited, but in confusion, she did not know what to do. And you know, always in such situations, Bhagavan Yogiram Sarat Kumar Nama is our only resort. So she started to chant and pray and pray and pray, saying, Bhagavan, this is a foreign country. I have no idea, I have no clue what to do at this time, whether to wait till we get back to India or continue here, no matter how much is the expense, even if you can't afford it. And then suddenly she remembered the ophthalmologist, the optometrist had referred to. So she opened the website, she Googled. She found out this ophthalmologist was a renowned ophthalmologist. He was also attached to the Ottawa Hospital, but he had a private clinic of his own for practice. So she made an application through the online, and to her surprise, the very next day, there was a call from the center. And then she went there. They said, even without a referral, the ophthalmologist was prepared to see her. Now that was her first surprise, because after her prayer to Bhagavan, this thought came to her. Now when she pursued, now this surprise waited for her, that they were prepared for a consultation even without a referral. So she understood this was Bhagavan's direction. And then the assistant said they could wait even till next week and consult the doctor. So she waited, and the next week they went to the hospital, and there was a huge lineup. Some 60 people were already there queuing up for treatment. And when she entered with her mother, the nurses there said that even though she had a referral from an optometrist, they would not bother with it, and her mother had to go through a series of eye tests there, which could cost them $500 to $800. And the consultation fees would be about $200. Now her mother was very quick to say that this would not do for us. Just imagine this would come to some $1,000 for us. And if you put the tax over that, it would come to $1,200, which we cannot afford. It's too expensive. So let's stop all this. Wait till the flights resume. But then Akshaya said, after prayer to Bhagwan, after chanting the name, this was the direction given to them by Bhagwan. So she was now determined to pursue it further, no matter what, because she believed strongly it was Bhagwan's direction. See, this is where the faith helps. Often we are thrown into a situation where we get completely confused and do not know how to decide. Akshaya believed firmly this was the direction given by Bhagwan because this happened after her prayer. So she said to her mother, no, your eyes also need immediate attention. And what's more, this has come from Bhagwan. So let's go ahead. So when they were a little hesitant, the nurse said, she went inside, consulted the doctor, because it was $500 to $800 and they were hesitant. And she did not come back to say what the doctor said, except that the doctor okayed to go ahead. Now she got her answer. So her mother went inside for the tests, and when the lights switched off, when the nurses began to do their tests, her mother started chanting Bhagwan's Nama, and so did the daughter. Bhagwan, we do not know how much we have to pay. Please come to our help. And she was also praying for the treatment, for the tests, and for the consultation of the doctor. After the tests were done, the doctor, during consultation, said, oh, she can take even 1 month more before the final surgery. There is no need to hurry. The optometrist said that she was ready for immediate surgery. Here, the ophthalmologist said she could wait even up to 1 month for the surgery. They even gave the list of the payments to be made for the surgery. So after they also said, you make your decision, let us know next week. So all the initial tests are over, the consultation was over. The ophthalmologist said they had to decide. Now they came to the billing counter. She was still chanting the name of Bhagwan, and she was guessing that it would be around $1,200. They were getting ready to pay, but when the bill came, it was $132. Just imagine. And she knew immediately it was Bhagwan behind all these moves. It may sound very ordinary considering the details, because every day we go through this for something or the other and we enjoy Bhagwan's help. But here, the events often describe the determination of the devotee, the firmness of their faith in Bhagwan and Bhagwan's rescue. And that in a foreign country where so much money was required, and the problem was getting more and more severe. They had very little time to decide. The circumstances were not favorable. Bhagwan's Nama. This is the story of the glory of the Nama. The doctors said they could wait even 1 month and they could have the surgery in Canada itself, or they could go back to India and have. She has written at the end of the letter that the 20th July was the day fixed for her mother's surgery. So you see, the details give us a very clear view. When you are in a foreign country and everything is very difficult to achieve, it's only Bhagavan, none else, nothing else, for our rescue. Now that Bhagavan is here right in front of us with his raised hand and a continuous flow of grace, and we have been chanting his name. Let's appeal to him to come to our rescue in the prevalent situation. Jai Yogi Ram Sarat Kumar.